Okay, so today I went hiking in the mountains and looked over a rock and there's this guy, pretty big. So he ate all of that. He ate the moss. He ate that moss, the wolf spider, the jumping spider, and the fly. This isn't his habitat. I need to make it so. But yeah, he's just really cool. He's pretty aggressive and he jumps a lot. So let me see if I could catch him jumping, because he like tries to jump out of the thing. And it's actually pretty scary. He almost did it once. Let's see. See? Oh shoot. Yeah.